So today we are going to be choosing our logos from the Canva project that we just wrapped up. And to do this, we are going to create a survey and then share that survey with the entire class. Everybody is going to take everybody else's survey. It should be kind of fun. But to do that, I don't want you to have to create from scratch. So just like we did before, I'm giving you a link that you're going to open. When you click here, you will get a copy of my survey, and you are going to basically go in and change out all of the images to screenshots from that Canva project that we just wrapped up. So all of your logos will be here. Now, I would like to say that if you are not in love with any of the logos that you created and you have something, whether it be a different idea altogether or just different color schemes, because I did tell you that you had to go with specific colors on this one. If you wanted to have a monotone or say something with the black, white, or grayscale added, you can just click add and put those in with your others. And you're also going to make sure that you have this as a choice. If you want to add the other choices here, you can add that to your Canva and then do the screenshot. Once you have finished that, which shouldn't take too long, we are going to share the link by going up to send and changing from send via email to send via link. We will shorten the URL and click copy. We'll go back to this new Canva and you'll see that we have link to Google Sheet. When you click this right here, it will open up the Google Sheet that looks a lot like the one we used a couple of weeks ago. And you're basically going to do the exact same thing. Under your group, you're going to put your name in, and then you are going to paste your link that you just copied. This will allow us to see links from everyone in the class, and you will have time to take every single person's survey. That will give us a lot of information to work with. Once we've all responded to everybody else's survey, we can then go into our responses and see what people thought. Now, you can go with the majority, which I have done, or you can decide on your own. If you don't agree with them, you can be like Elon Musk and his decision to change Twitter to X. Nobody likes it, but you know what? He doesn't care because he doesn't have to. He's a billionaire. If you were running a business and it's a small business, you might care. So you might want to listen to people. Otherwise, do as the billionaires do and go with your heart. It's your company. Anyways, you'll have that information. So you're going to go into your copy of our brand design kit, and you are going to put your logo on the first page. You'll read through the steps of what a brand design is. You are going to go in and you're going to answer the questions like I've done. A lot of this stuff comes directly from the Canva project we just wrapped up. So your logo, the color scheme, the different text font that you're going to use. And basically you are taking your voice from those adjectives that we chose. You do have to come up with a little brand story. How did your company come to be? And you will choose photos and elements from the elements over here. And that's just things that you're going to use on your flyer, your brochures, any social media posts that we decide to make, anything that's going to go along with your company. And finally, you're going to answer all of these questions. Nothing major, just very quickly put in, what your goals are when you're making different designs here. And just as a note, this last page gives all of the product contact information so that you don't need to use your own personal address, phone number, and email. Have fun with it and don't stress. Good luck.